Welcome ladies and gentlemen to a journey through the fascinating world of BOPP Laminated Non-Woven Fabric. In today's video, we are going to unravel the wonders of this innovation material and discover how it's revolutionizing a wide range of industries. First, let's start with the basics. What exactly is BOPP Laminated Non-Woven Fabric? This remarkable material is a combination of non-woven fabric and a layer of BOPP film expertly bonded together. BOPP or biaxially oriented polypropylene is a versatile and durable plastic. Now, let's explore where this marvel shines. The application of BOPP laminated non-woven fabric are the vast as your imagination. In packaging, it's a game changer, offering a superior durability and moisture resistance. In advertising, it's a secret behind those vibrant, eye-catching billboards and banners that stand tall in all weather conditions. Even in agriculture, it plays a vital role by providing crops from harsh weather while allowing the right amount of sunlight to pass through. Now let's talk about the remarkable qualities. What sets this material apart? First, it's incredibly durable, ensuring your products and message stays intact in challenging environment. Second, it's highly printable, making it canvas for vibrant and high quality printing. And here's the best part, it's eco-friendly, contributing to a sustainable future. In a world where innovation reigns supreme, BOPP laminated non-woven fabric stands as a champion of durability, versatility and sustainability. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you found this video informative, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you.